Once you've launched a project, you'll be able to access the live dashboard immediately. The first page you will see is the Management Stats page, where you can track the progress of your study and monitor quotas. If you go to the Report page, you will see the live results. As you will see, it looks like a typical quant platform dashboard with all the bells and whistles you'll need, including the ability to add filters, download charts to fully editable PowerPoint slides, and you can also easily update how the data is sorted, the chart type, or even move the cards around to help you tell your data story better. There are two unique features of Inca's dashboards. First, how Inca codes the open-ended responses automatically. As in this example, we want to capture the people's spontaneous associations with the brand Apple. With Inca, we can make the use of unsupervised clustering techniques, fine-tuned on troves of open-ended market research data, which looks for semantic relationships between all the verbatims within a survey and groups them accordingly into themes. From there, a representative sentence or phrase is chosen from each theme, which describes that theme in the participant's own words. That's the labels you see for the bars. If you click on each of the bars, you'll see the verbatims coded into these clusters. If you want to change some labels, merge clusters, reassign verbatims, etc., you can click on Open in QuickTag and you'll be directed to a separate interface where you can manage Inca coding to best suit your research objectives. On the left side, you'll see the auto-coding results, and on the right side, you'll see the verbatims. For example, quickly glancing through the themes, you might want to combine expensive and overpriced. You will just need to select both, then click on Merge, and maybe you want to call this combined theme expensive/overpriced. Then, if you click on Export to Dashboard, the bar chart will be updated. You will then be able to use the open-ended question results just like any other closed-ended questions. Another way of verbatim coding is keywords. For questions such as spontaneous free associations, keywords can be very effective to get a quick idea of key themes, and compared to different brands, such as in this case, it's quick to see different associations between brands. This is the spontaneous free association word cloud for Motorola. What's unique about Inca's word cloud is that it captures phrases, instead of just single words. For example, here you can see old school, hella moto, which was a popular slogan in their ads, first cell phone, walkie-talkie, etc. As you can imagine, if only single words can be captured, a lot of these important information would be lost. Another unique dashboard feature is how Inca visualizes specialty questions, including qualitative projective techniques. Treeman, for example, if you click on any of the characters, you'll see the verbatims associated with it. With Inca, you can also easily do crosstab. You can select the questions you like to analyze, then the banner points, and turn on sig differences. Once turned on, you'll see significant differences are highlighted for you, as here the younger groups are more likely to use iPhones highlighted in green. And finally, data exports. You could download as a CSV file or an SPSS with the settings you need.